Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this red and yellow makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place for the burgundy shade, and I'm putting this in the crease and blending outwards. Next, using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, I'm going to be using the darker red shade and blending out the previous burgundy one. And next, using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm going to be using the orange shade. Then with makeup remover and Q-tips, I'm creating a rounded shaped cut crease. Then going over that area with concealer. Then using the Garden of Juvia palette, I'm going to be using the yellow Marigold shade and putting this in the inner eye corners. Next, using the same orange shade to blend that out, going towards the middle of the eye. Next, we're using the lighter red shade to blend out the orange. And finally, putting some of that burgundy in the very outermost corner. Then I'm going underneath the eye with some burgundy as well. And for the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and then topping this with false lashes. And that completes this red and yellow cut crease makeup look. I really like how the colors came together. It kind of reminds me of a sunset. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.